Hello teachers, today I am going to discuss with you about cookies and cache memory. It is related with our privacy and data security. So if you want to know about it, go into the setting. I have opened Oppo browser. So the interface may be different in different browsers. So go to setting and clear data. Now see, let me explain what is cache web pages or cache data. So it is the data which is stored by the website in our browser that helps to run different graphics in that particular web page. So we see different images, videos, icons, text, colors, designs. All these things can be possible when there is a cache pages or cache data. So this data is useful to run that particular website smoothly. When you open first time, the small software or program is installed. It is called cache. So when you open the same website next time, that open easily and smoothly. So that is about cache. Now let's see what is cookies. So these cookies are some small program that is installed in our browser to collect the data from our browser. What we browse, so that data is collected. So whatever pages are seen, that is stored in these cookies. So some harmful websites, they create such cookies, like many websites, those are giving free downloads of songs, videos and images. So some harmful websites, they create some cookies, and when we open those websites, they automatically install some cookies in our browser. Sometimes they give us a notification that you want to install the cookies or not, and sometimes it is installed without our consent. So once it is installed, they collect all the data from our browser. Whatever we browse in our data in our browser, they collect the data and send it to the owner of those cookies. So if you want to keep your data private, keep your all the online activities in the browser safe and secure, you need to clear these cookies regularly. So cache memory is a memory, those are also installed in the browser, but their work is to run the website smoothly, and cookies, their purpose is to collect the data what we browse, to make the analysis of it, and to send the owner. So cookies are really harmful sometimes. It is also used by the purpose to analyze the users data, like what we are searching, what we are liking. But sometimes it is also harmful that they collect all the private activities from the browser. So clear all the cookies. So it's clear. So I am showing once again, it's there in it's go to setting, then go to clear data and select cookies and web pages and clear it. Here one more option, I would like to recommend you go for the private browsing. So whatever you are browsing, your identity will not be revealed. So your data cannot be analyzed with the single persons into the center. So no one can know what you are browsing or who you are. So click on private browsing. So these settings and cookies and cache memory will help you to keep safe and secure in the browsing. Thank you.